이곳은 뉴욕의 작은 바.
Both of us sleeping with the same Chinatown doctor.
우리의 영원한 빵형과 조지 클루니를 뒤로하고 한 남자가 미친 듯이 도망치는데, 그렇게 두 남자는 인사불성의 팬티맨을 쫓기 시작합니다. 너 누구야? 불과 몇 시간 전 한 고급 호텔. 패닉에 빠진 여자와 바닥에 쓰러져 있는 젊은 남자. 조심스럽게 다가가 그의 몸에 깔린 가방을 빼내려는데, 순식간에 피범벅이 되어버린 옷. 도망칠 수 없음을 깨달은 그녀는 급히 누군가에게 전화를 거는데, 여자가 절망에 빠진 그때,
How'd you get this number?
The man who gave it to me, and he said not to say. There's only one man in the city who can do what you do. He said that man is an expert. That man is a professional. And that one man is you.
그는 무언가 눈치챈 듯 곧바로 그녀를 돕기 시작하고,
I need you to activate the do not disturb light for your room and then do absolutely nothing till I get there. You understand?
강렬한 포스의 이 남자는 프로 해결사 잭. 그는 의뢰인의 사건을 마치 없었던 일처럼 깔끔하게 처리해주는 전문가인데요. 간단한 짐만 챙겨 곧장 현장으로 향하는 잭. 잠시 후 의뢰인을 만난 잭은 현재 상황을 파악하기 시작하는데,
What about the room? Did anyone recognize you when you checked in?
No, I used an alias. I always do. I got the room right after I met. I made him wait by the elevator so no one would. I don't do this.
대체 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까?
He was jumping on the bed, and he fell and crashed into the glass. This would be the end. Everything I've worked so hard to build.
사실 여자는 뉴욕의 유명 검사였는데요. 검사장 선거를 앞둔 시점에서 예상치도 못한 사건이 일어났고,
And you can make all of this go away.
That's why you called me.
사건을 묻기로 합니다.
Make sure that none of this gets traced back to you in any way, like it never happened. Whatever it takes, no matter what.
When I was given your number, I thought it was a joke. I didn't know people like you really existed.
They don't. There's nobody can do what I do.
유일무이한 해결사 잭이 쓰러진 남자의 맥박을 확인하던 그때,
Hello? No service, please. Thank you.
냅다 문을 따고 등장한 한 남자. 그는 대충 봐도 잭과 비슷한 행색이었는데,
Who are you?
I'm here to take care of your problem. Who's he?
I called him.
또 다른 해결사인 닉 또한 누군가의 의뢰를 받았고, 그가 가리킨 곳에는 작은 카메라가 달려 있었지요.
Bitch.
그때
Yeah.
Hello? Who is this?
I completely understand, and I have no doubt.
전화를 건 사람은 호텔의 소유주 팸. 그녀는 카메라를 통해 사고를 모두 지켜보고 있었는데,
Hidden fucking camera, that's illegal surveillance. It's a Class D felony in the state of New York. A Class D felony. What's the play here?
I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Okay. You're on speaker.
Hotel. It's very new. It's very expensive, and I have a clear vested interest in minimizing any sort of controversy associated with it. So that being said, I have brought in someone I know through a trusted friend to take care of this problem. He is an expert. He is the very best there is. There is, quite simply, no one else out there who can do what he does.
Thank you, Pam.
팸은 이미 현장을 목격한 두 사람이 현장을 함께 처리할 것을 제안하고,
We have decided that the only course of action is for you both to work together to clean up this absolute fucking clusterfuck of a mess.
벼랑간 파트너가 되게 생긴 두 사람의 반응은
No. Pam, I'd like to have a word.
스스로 최고라 자부하는 두 해결사는 외로운 늑대처럼 혼자서만 움직인다는 룰이 있었고,
How do I know I can trust him? I don't.
Know this guy.
You don't know me. How do you know you can trust me?
I don't, but I trust the man who gave me your number because
그렇게 제안을 거절하고 철수하려는데,
you're on those tapes too. If you don't finish the job, she's got you. A camera.
영상 때문에 어쩔 수 없이 일을 마무리해야 했지요.
So, now what?
Well, I need to know.
일단 사건의 자초지종부터 들어보기로 하는데,
I was at an event a few blocks away. After it was over, I wanted a drink. I liked the bar here.
Non-prostitute up to your room, you began drinking, fooling around,
And he goes into the bathroom and he comes out, he starts jumping up on the fucking bed and he falls backwards onto the fucking bar cart and fucking drops dead.
어쨌든 지금은 이게 중요한 게 아니죠.
Is there anyone who might be concerned they haven't heard from you tonight?
일단 여자를 호텔 밖으로 무사히 내보내야 하는데
You're gonna go home and you see your family act like nothing ever happened.
전문가인 두 사람 모두 새 옷을 챙겨왔는데요. 사이좋게 하나씩 골라줍니다.
Okay.
그렇게 알리바이를 만들기 위해 그녀가 먼저 호텔을 떠나고 숨막히는 눈치 게임에 결국 잭이 나서 현장을 치우기 시작합니다. 그 시각 닉은 여유롭게 앉아서 콜라나 까고 있는데요.
What are you doing? You know I was giving you the benefit of the doubt, letting you clean up unsupervised.
Your job is to make sure that that mess behind you cannot be traced back to your client. And to do that, you have to make sure that that mess disappears completely. Because my job is to make sure that you do your job so that that mess cannot be traced back to this hotel. I'm going to supervise.
Fuck you.
영상에 발목 잡힌 지금 어쩔 수 없이 독박 쓰게 생긴 잭.
Just don't touch anything.
노약자 배려엔 관심도 없는 닉. 그렇게 잭은 경력을 뽐내며 금세 현장을 정리해 나가기 시작하고 관리 감독에 힘쓰던 닉의 촉이 발동하는데 그건 다름 아닌 죽은 남자의 가방이었고 그 안을 확인하던 닉은
Oh shit! I told you not to touch anything.
곧이어 가방을 확인한 잭 또한
Oh shit.
가방 안에서 나온 것은 엄청난 양의 마약 더미였는데 현장을 지켜보던 팸도 이 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Why can't you simply dispose of the drugs as well?
Listen, there's zero reason
Dead
why a
kid
kid like
in the
that would
park,
be walking around with this
overdosed,
much product.
half
which means
frozen,
it's
rich or
probably
poor, they know
stolen.
the story.
So whoever
They find
does
a dead
belong
kid
to,
overdosed
looking
in the
for
park
it, in my
with
experience, it's not the kind of
$250,000
people you
worth
want
of
knocking
heroin.
on the
They're
door
going to
of
ask
your
some
hotel.
questions.
아무튼 이런 이유로 상황이 매우 곤란해졌는데요.
This is what you'll do. You'll find out who those drugs belong to, and you'll return them.
No,
It's not.
벼랑간 마약 전달 업무까지 맡게 됩니다.
Body first and the drugs.
Okay then. So,
Oh, now you want to get involved? Fuck you.
그렇게 잭 혼자 마저 처리에 나서는데 개쩌는 스킬로 한 방에 말아주고 지렛대 원리를 이용하는 노련함까지. 그런데
looks like a dead body on a luggage cart.
I'm not finished yet.
수트케이스로 완벽 마무리를 해줍니다.
You don't have to help. I don't need you to help. But if you do, you'll go faster.
그렇게 마무리를 위해 닉이 그를 돕기로 하는데 그 어르신한테 너무한 거 아니냐고.
Thanks. Happy to help. You dig.
Touch.
주차장에 도착하자 이번엔 닉이 나서는데
It's a red one.
한마디를 안 듣는 닉 주기도 계획이 다 있었으니 그렇게 관리자가 자리를 비우고 잭이 차를 가지러 가는데요. 프로 해결사들의 역대급 유치한 장난이 이어집니다. 마지막까지 완벽한 재개 처리가 끝이 나고
Excuse me?
I will wipe the tapes. I just can't let you watch.
Yeah, see, this is a two-way street.
I was told specifically to make sure you do not see this.
영상을 누가 지우냐 가지고 또다시 말다툼이 시작되는데요.
I'm on those tapes and I'm not leaving until I'm not.
What gives a shit?
For leverage, you dumbass.
Leverage for what, dipshit?
그런데 그때
Fucked.
그렇게 들키기 일보 직전 두 해결사들이 한 몸이 되어 나서고
You okay? All good. Yep.
위기는 피했지만 남자가 살아있고
You didn't check his pulse? Fuck you, I didn't check his pulse. He didn't have a fucking
And
pulse.
yet,
Maybe it was the drugs.
oh, that's just lazy bullshit. It doesn't work that way.
Really?
Just admit you didn't
Would you
check.
shut up? I'm trying to think.
Oh, it was a magic drug that makes your heart beat.
Would you shut the fuck up? It doesn't matter. It's a different thing now.
시신만 처리하면 되는 상황이었지만 이제 저 청년을 죽여서 처리해야 하는데
Think about it. He's got to know. We need to go. We need to hurry.
두 사람은 약의 주인을 찾기 위해 일단 청년을 살려보기로 하고
I know someone.
Fuck no.
What? My guy's good.
Fuck your guy's a bullet puller.
서로 자기가 아는 의사에게 가자고 또 말다툼이 시작되는데요.
My car, my guy. Fuck you.
안 받습니다.
Where we going?
그렇게 뉴욕의 차이나타운으로 향하고
I gotta clear you first.
뭔가 열심히 설명하고는 있는데요. 곧이어 불법 의료 시술 전문 의사 준이 나오고
What happens to the kid after he talks?
My job's done.
So this other guy kills him.
두 사람을 본 잭의 표정이 굳어집니다.
Do you vouch for him?
He's been all right. One of those guys, you know?
No, I don't know. One of what
One of
guys?
those guys who thinks he's like some genius who got it all figured out.
리그 이참에 잭이 뒷담화를 시작하는데요.
Moment, you know, where he was the go-to guy, the hot shit guy, but watching old black and white movies till he falls.
저주를 퍼붓던 그때 잭이 등장하고
Hello, Jim.
두 사람도 아는 사이?
Is there really a kid in your trunk?
So how long have you two
Not
been?
what you think.
You told him it was exclusive.
Yes?
Yes?
No. Yes?
Yes.
And can we take care of the Odin kid first, you fucking lunatics?
사라는 있지만 의식이 없는 남자.
God, it's like he doesn't even have a heartbeat. I know a lot of paramedics would have called him.
No?
And you pick up on a
Okay, both of you out now.
How many clowns you got running through this joint?
Out!
그렇게 쫓겨난 두 남자가 잠시 이야기를 나누는데
She saved my life.
No kidding.
Yeah, shrapnel. Inch away from my spine. Spent 2 weeks in the basement recovering.
Back in October,
Maybe. How would you know that?
I was here.
릭과 잭은 생각보다 많은 인연이 있었는데요.
I guess I knew it wasn't exclusive. What are the odds?
Right?
Both of us sleeping with the same Chinatown doctor.
난 아닌데?
Oh, were you two not?
그리고 그때 정신을 차린 청년이 탈출하며 도시를 엉망으로 만들기 시작합니다.
Go right at them.
릭의 안내를 무시하고 곧장 후진을 갈겨버리는데 약에 취한 청년은 각성한 듯 미친 체력을 보여주고 잭이 뒷문으로 향하던 그때 닿을 듯 말 듯 날아오른 청년은 한 바퀴를 돌아 무사히 착지에 성공하는데요. 급하게 다시 준을 찾아가 보지만
Hey, dum-dums!
그녀는 치료를 거부하고
One of the small ones every 6 and lots of water. Also, I'm not sleeping with him. He's just fucking with you.
Yeah, it's just fucking with you.
Get dressed.
대충 남은 여자 옷을 입히고 그렇게 잭의 추궁이 시작되는데
Where'd you get the drugs?
I don't know what you're talking about. Now!
끝까지 모르는 척을 시전하자
LaGrange, they call him LaGrange. They're his, or they were the drugs.
Bullshit. How?
How? What do you mean? How what?
How? How does someone like you get involved as one of the biggest drug runners in the city?
Fuck you! I'm fucking trying to explain. Just let me explain. Can I get a glass of water?
She's dehydrated.
일단 물부터 한 잔 떠주려는데 에이 바퀴벌레가 아무것도 모르고 시원하게 목을 축이는
So I wake up.
Jesus Christ, kid, you woke up, you gotta start the story there?
어쩌다 이런 보이가 거물 마약상과 엮이게 된 것일까?
I wasn't trying to make any money or anything. Like you drugs. So I'm killing some time before I get the address for the drop.
친구 도와주려다 죽을 위기에 처한 착한 바보.
What's the address for the drop?
Don't know.
Where's your phone?
I hit it.
How are you going to get the address of the drop if you don't have your phone?
The pager.
Who has the pager?
Diego left it for me at his work.
Where?
It's called Club Ice.
그렇게 곧장 클럽 아이스로 향하는데
Everything's gonna be okay, right? After I make the drop.
아니 너 죽어.
Because I have a really big exam next week. I really don't want to screw that up.
You won't have to worry about that.
잠시 후 클럽 앞에 도착하고
I'll be 2 seconds.
You're hilarious.
What? No, I won't run.
Well, in that case.
No, seriously, I can just go in and I'll get the page. It'll be fine. All right? I promise. I'm not gonna.
그때 클럽 앞에서 거대 범죄 조직 보스를 마주하고
Shit, she tried to warn me tonight.
To get the pager, why can't we just go in and get the page?
Because we can't.
Why not? Tell me what's going on.
No, where's the pager?
Why can't you tell me?
We can't.
Why?
Because we're not partners.
What?
There is an expectation of discretion in our line of work.
When you hire someone to do what we do, you want someone who works alone.
No connections, no conflicting loyalties. It's the only way you can be trusted is to trust no one.
두 해결사가 같이 있는 모습을 본다면
I knew what he knew. He would, without hesitation, have us killed immediately.
Or kill us himself. All right, here's what's gonna happen. No one leaves anyone's sight.
결국 안전을 위해 모두가 함께 움직이기로 하는데요. 그렇게 클럽에 들어서고 보이가 삐삐를 찾으러 나섭니다. 그러나 하필 바로 뒤에 조직 보스 디미트리가 있었는데
Yo, you left the pager for me? The green pager? No. It's a pager. Right there.
한시가 급한 보이는 냅다 뛰어들어 삐삐를 찾고 무사히 빠져나오나 했는데 그렇게 보이가 클럽 내 조직원들에게 끌려가던 그때 갑작스럽게 댄스 파티가 시작되며 두 사람도 끌려가고 마는데요. 급히 빠져나가려고 해보지만 결국 디미트리의 눈에 포착되고 두 사람이 죽을 위기에 처한 그때 선빵 필승으로 서로에게 총을 겨누며 상황을 역전시키는데요.
Everyone, calm down. What's going on here, Dimitri? Who the fuck is this ass? Who the fuck are you?
Boys, it's fine. Come here, both of you. You crash my daughter's wedding and then you pull out guns.
I came to pay my respects.
Wait, Dimitri, you know this asshole?
Believe it or not, you two offer not dissimilar services.
If I ever see you again, go.
상황극에 몰입하다 보니 진짜 감정이 실려버리고
All right.
Hey, leave him. Have a drink.
I got a job to do.
Oh, I see. The professional. The lone wolf.
그렇게 상황을 무마시키고 잭도 급히 자리를 떠나는데 그의 부하가 두 사람의 총이 똑같다는 것을 눈치챕니다. 그 시각 무사히 빠져나온 잭.
Told you I wasn't gonna run. I want to finish the job too.
의리를 지킨 보이를 보며 한편으로 죄책감을 갖게 되죠. 잠시 후
Too bad you both can't work together. Like what you do must be really lonely.
어쩐지 위로가 되는 녀석의 말.
I'm gonna pee.
그렇게 보이가 잠시 자리를 비우고
Figure out how to play it. We both can't know everything.
One of us would make the drop. Then maybe we'd figure out what the fuck's going on.
그러나
No,
잭의 생각은 다릅니다.
he has to do it.
What you? I'm not following.
I mean, this kid doesn't come home. People are gonna look for him this way. They find him.
No, I get it.
어쩔 수 없는 상황에 두 사람이 잠시 생각에 빠진 그때 드디어 기다리던 주소가 도착하는데요.
Did it go off? Oh, thank God. Oh my God, I thought we were dead.
그렇게 마야광이 기다리는 범죄 소굴로 찾아간 세 사람.
Now you go in. You took the job, now you gotta finish it.
Right. Are you guys gonna wait for me? I'll be back.
보이는 자신이 죽을 것이라는 것도 모른 채 제 발로 그곳으로 걸어 들어가고
It could take care of itself.
깊은 고민에 빠졌던 잭은 결국
Fuck it.
그런데 그때 그들을 쫓은 드미트리의 부하들 보이를 구해야 하는 상황에서 이쪽은 무차별 공격을 시작하고
You're not wolves! You're bodies!
과연 이들은 위험에서 벗어나 무사히 보이를 구해낼 수 있을까요? 지난 2024년 공개된 애플 TV 플러스 오리지널 영화 울프스입니다. 도심 속 추격신과 카체이싱 씬 등의 화려한 액션 장면은 물론 섬세한 음향 효과까지 더해져 정말 완성도 있는 작품이었는데요. 두 캐릭터의 티키타카를 통해 웃음은 물론 관계성에 대한 몰입도를 높였습니다. 조지 클루니, 브래드 피트 주연의 미친 캐스팅으로 두 배우를 한 프레임에서 볼 수 있다는 것만으로도 엄청난 카타르시스를 느낄 수 있었던 애플 TV 플러스 오리지널 영화 울프스 추천드리면서 저는 이만 물러가겠습니다. 드림텔러였습니다.